Many students find history to be among a very difficult academic subjects to be studied. They are dreading the dates to be remembered. They hate what the kings did or what the autocrats or what the despots, the crazy despots, the difficult names of the ancient kings and all. They are worried, and that's how they find history difficult. Relatively, geography is found easier because it deals with people, landforms, climate, and maps. And we do deal with maps and climate and landforms in our day-to-day lives. But as far as history goes, now the overall concept about history is also changing, and people are doing away with hard and fast memorization of dates and remembering rather history in terms of timelines. So we should understand that remembering exact dates is not as essential as remembering the approximate timelines and understanding the gradual changes that happen in history. So we should understand the lives of people, we should understand the lives of the kings, we should understand how, in what background they did different battles and they won or lost, how the different uprisings took place, how the revolutions took place, how the ideas of nationality and democracy and socialism and communism these took up. So all these revolutionary ideas, the history is full and replete with it. History is also full of cultural and traditional content. So all this content we can go through in history, and once we understand that with interest, we can make it a summary in very short time and do the subject in short. The preparation of history does not take much time if we make timelines. So actually there is no need to open a textbook and show that for preparing history, if you skip the exact dates and but just make a long timeline sort of a thing and put up the facts there, you can relate the whole lesson in short, and that's how you can memorize the whole thing. So that is the key guideline for preparing history in short time. Similarly, for geography, actually mapping things on map, understanding the locations of climates, locations of different places, and understanding the globe, for example, understanding latitudes and longitudes. So once you understand these concepts, understanding the tilt of the earth, why days and nights occur, why seasons occur, these questions if you know, then you will find geography easier throughout your life. So that's how knowing the basic concepts is important, and then it becomes easy.